City of Richmond Hill market surge and want to know more? 60% more listings. Yes, 60% more listings. Stay tuned till the end and we're gonna cover what's next, right? Hey, this is Ashish Sharma, your realtor with Right at Home Realty Brokerage. In today's video, we're gonna unlock market stats for the beautiful city of Richmond Hill. It's in the York region, north of Toronto, again next to the Markham. We just published a couple of days ago Markham video as well, and we are covering, just so you know, like majority of big municipalities and cities in GTA Greater Toronto area, because Greater Toronto area has 5 regions, overall 25 cities and town. So I wish I can cover all the 25 cities and town, but and the extra Simcoe County as well. But we are choosing the best of the top cities and then covering almost like we are. That's why we are putting around 9 to 10 monthly updates for use for the bigger cities. But if you are looking to know more about any smaller town or something which we are not covering as well, reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. And my real estate industry professionals, become a member of unlockrealestate.ai. Visit unlockrealestate.ai and become a member today, and choose your subscription package of watermarked or non-watermarked, and then you can get access to this whole tool as well. Now, without further ado, let's unlock real estate. Okay, so welcome back. So let's start with the average price first, which is hovering around 1.37 million for Richmond Hill as of September reported number, which is down 4.2% year over year and 4.8% month over month. So for sure, we are seeing a downward trend in the prices little bit because of the active listings are growing at a tremendous, amazing level. Like I just said, as you can see on the screen, 60% new listings added in a month period, right? So that is insane. I'm going to show you a couple of graphs as well, but let me walk you through the sales and active listings parts first. So overall, 151 properties exchange hand in the month of September for city of Richmond Hill, which is down 7.4% year over year and down 5% month over month. And we have seen a 959 active listing. Look at the inventory level. Inventory level is active listing divided by sale. So if you divide 959 divided by 151, I would like to verify that number. That comes to 6.4 months. So that's where our number is reflecting, right? So 959 active listings right now, which is a 53.2% and 19.4% month. So new listings are getting added, which creates a further active listings, and which, if the sales are not happening, listings are added, it increased the inventory with the flood of inventory. 6.4 months. According to the technical terms, Richmond Hill is in buyer's market for sure. But none of the municipality we have seen right now according to the technical terms into buyer market, though they behave like a buyer's market, because GTA is so huge that technical term sometimes doesn't state, because like if you see the rent to income ratios, like all these kind of things, it doesn't make sense because it's on the higher side majority of things, right? So different parameters, but according to the technical terms, Richmond Hill is in buyer's market and the numbers are stating itself. Now let me walk you through how the price trends are going on. So look at this frenzy this year. Like I'm showing you from 2022 onwards, so kind of like January 2022, the price is at one point hit 1.6 million, and in January of 2022, in 2 years down to the line, prices dropped by 400k, 1.62 to 1.2, 400k. That's an insane amount of around, like I would say 1.6 to like roughly around 25% drop. That's insane. And then market picked up again and again going through this cycle. Why? Look at the sales number. Sales are dropping. Still, prices are not catching up because the active listings are growing. Look what happened last year. Though there was no decrease in interest rate, at that time sales were also suffering, and active listings were high, prices suffer in future months. Right now we are going through the same phase. The active listings are so high that pricing are pulling towards the downward trends, right? and inventory is leading to the buyer's market. When we dig deep, we saw condo townhouses had the highest month of inventory sitting at 10.2 months. Yes, you heard me right. If no other listing got added into the condo townhouse segment property types, based on the current situation, it's gonna take 10.2 months to deplete that inventory. Let me show you that. Let me cover that active month of inventory. I'm gonna show you the buyer sellers market segment in a second. On the lower side, linked properties have around 3 months of inventory. Now let me show you the month of inventory graph. So how to read this graph? Blue line is average price, yellow line is month of inventory. If the yellow line is below the red line, dotted line, that means we are into seller's market. If the yellow graph is above the green dotted line, that means we are into the buyer's market, which is in this case, as you can see. If it is in between, it means balanced market. As I just stated, condo townhouse has 10.2 months of inventory. Look at this thing and look at how the price is. So technically September was the bottom out of bottom, 805. Wow! 828 in May 28, 2022. December 2022, 817K. January 822K. August 2024, 810K. And right now at 805K. So technically after the pandemic peak, this is the lowest of the lowest condo townhouses prices in Richmond Hill. Yes, you heard me right. And it's gonna might drag some prices more because right now we are in a very 10.2 months of inventory. Yes, there was not that many sales because only 5 sales happen and 51 active listing, which brings the inventory to 51 divided by 5, 10.2 months. But if you're thinking of buying a condo townhouse in Richmond Hill, you got a big negotiating power, my friend. If you are a buyer, seller, or investor, reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you, assist you, and navigate you throughout your needs. Now, let's talk about days on market. It is taking on an average 31 days for any properties to get sold in Richmond Hill. And when we dig deep, we saw the similar pattern. Condo townhouses are taking the most amount of time with 78 days. 78 days. Insanity at the highest peak. And the link properties are taking the least amount of time with 10 days. And remember guys, this video, this data, this information, this analysis, this whole video, our whole channel, whenever I'm on the camera, is only for information and educational purposes. We love to educate people. This is not any kind of financial advice. Please reach out to the respective profession if you want financial advice. And make sure to subscribe to this channel so that more and more people will educate themselves and make informed decision by educating themselves that what needs to check, what needs to ask their realtor, what needs to ask their mortgage person, what needs to ask other professionals, tax accountants, attorneys, XYZ. Educate yourself. That's how you get your life in control. Don't trust the random guy, right? If you are not working with any realtor, I'll be happy to help you, assist you throughout your buying, selling, and investing needs. And if you are a real estate industry professional who wants to get hold of this tool, visit unlockrealestate.ai and become a member today and get your subscription aligned.